Before you update your PHP, find out if you even need to by determining the PHP version you currently have. There are multiple ways to do this, but let's keep it simple and use a plugin called Display PHP Version. Just install and activate it and go to your dashboard. Under the At a Glance section, you'll see that we're currently running PHP version 5.6.0. It's always a little risky to upgrade because it's possible that your website contains code that the new PHP version won't be compatible with. Let's go over how to prevent that from happening. Since PHP issues usually have to do with old code, it's best to upgrade your plugins, theme, and WordPress version before you do anything else. Also, you should always back up your site before doing anything. Upgrading everything that's out of date is a good first step, but it's not foolproof. There are a few ways to upgrade your PHP. Some are pretty advanced, like using SSH commands, but if you know how to do that, then you probably don't need this video. Instead, we'll do this the easy way, by using your hosting service. Every host is a little bit different, but a quick Google search will find the specific instructions that you need. For me, on Bluehost, I just go to my cPanel and scroll down to the programming section. From there, I just click on PHP config, and from here, I'm able to select the PHP version that I would like to upgrade to, which I'm going to choose PHP 7.3. Now after that, just click Save Changes. If it now shows the updated PHP version number, then it was a success. Be sure to check out your website by clicking each page, testing the features and plugins, and so on to ensure that the update did not cause any issues. If it did, then you have a backup that you can revert to. If everything's working perfectly, then you now know how to upgrade your PHP version. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.